Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-5 versus Subaru Forester. Let's dive into their core performance. The Mazda CX-5 provides a choice of engines, including a powerful turbocharged option delivering 256 horsepower, offering a more spirited drive. The Subaru Forester comes with a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, producing 180 horsepower, known for its balanced performance. Both vehicles ensure excellent traction and stability with standard all-wheel drive, making them reliable in various driving conditions. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Mazda CX-5 base engine delivers up to 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 on the highway. The Subaru Forester generally offers slightly better highway mileage, achieving up to 33 miles per gallon. For cargo, the CX-5 provides 29.1 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 59.3 cubic feet with seats folded. The Forester offers 27.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, growing to 74.2 cubic feet when folded flat, providing ample space for your gear. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology. The Mazda CX-5 boasts a 10.25-inch full-color display, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Its cabin often feels more upscale with available leather-trimmed seats and a quiet ride. The Subaru Forester comes standard with its renowned EyeSight driver assist technology, providing an extra layer of safety. Both vehicles offer supportive seating and various amenities to enhance your driving experience, ensuring a pleasant journey for all passengers. Safety is paramount in both the CX-5 and Forester. The Mazda CX-5 has received a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, thanks to its robust construction and iActiveSense safety suite. The Subaru Forester stands out with its standard EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes features like pre-collision braking and adaptive cruise control. Both offer a suite of advanced safety features designed to protect you and your loved ones. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.